Congratulations for completing this tutorial. In this video, I will point out some of the tips and some of my experiences about optimization. First of all, how much optimization do we need for each game? The answer is it depends. Depending on your game, if you're creating your game for mobile or for PC or console, the optimizations are different, especially if it's for mobile. You have to be careful about the assets that you use, and you have to use more optimization, and you have to keep a track of your memory, and you gotta keep track of your code, how it's optimized. The less powerful your hardware is, the more optimization you need. But pay attention not to over-optimize your project, because it's possible to do so. With optimization, there is always some ways that you can optimize your code, your assets even more, but you gotta know when it's enough. So no over-optimization and no under-optimization. Remember to start your optimization process from the beginning of your project. Imagine that you created a system that doesn't use the object pooling method, and at the end of your project you suddenly decide to use the object pooling method. That's going to be a problem, and it will take time to change this method and change the process of object pooling and replacing it with the new method. However, there are optimizations that you have to wait for the project to finish and then do the optimization. For example, deleting the unnecessary files. You can start deleting files as your project grows, but there are always files that you're not sure if you're going to use or not. I have created a sample project in Unity for you to download, and I uploaded it on the GitHub. I suggest you download this project and implement the optimization methods that we have seen in this tutorial together. Almost all of the tips that I've talked about can be implemented in this project. You can learn more about how to do this project using the links provided in the description. I congratulate you again, because you now have mastered something that most developers do not pay attention to. If you managed to do the class project, then you could say that you have mastered the optimization process in Unity. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions, and I will see you in next videos. Have a great day.